Making significant decisions can be daunting, but with a clear process, you can approach them confidently. This guide outlines 6 essential steps to help you make big decisions with confidence and clarity. 1. Define the decision. Begin by clearly defining the decision you need to make. Break down the problem or opportunity into manageable components and articulate the desired outcome. Clarity at this stage lays the foundation for effective decision making. 2. Gather information. Collect relevant information and data to inform your decision. Conduct thorough research, seek advice from experts, and consider various perspectives. Informed decisions are more likely to lead to successful outcomes. 3. Evaluate alternatives. Explore alternative options and courses of action. Evaluating alternatives allows you to make a well-informed decision. 4. Consider consequences. Assess the potential consequences of each alternative. Understanding the consequences helps you make decisions with foresight and responsibility. 5. Trust your instincts. Listen to your intuition and inner wisdom. Trusting your instincts can lead to more confident decision-making. 6. Take decisive action. Once you've evaluated the alternatives and considered the consequences, take decisive action. Taking action is the final step toward making a big decision confidently. By following these 6 steps, you can approach big decisions with confidence and clarity, leading to outcomes that align with your goals and values. I hope that you liked the video and do follow our channel for more professional and business tips and other interesting videos. Thank you and goodbye.